Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today I'm gonna preserve some black olives in salt. No water, just salt. Any olives, don't matter what variety. To do black olives, it's gotta be black on the tree. No good pick them, half, a little bit on the green side, half and half. They could be completely black. In matter of fact, if you want to leave them on the tree long, see, they go. The actual skin go really wrinkly. They will preserve quicker because they are already wrapped inside. So what I've done here, just I'm gonna give them a wash. Now I will put them in this container. The reason you're gonna wet so the salt will stick around. I don't measure anything. I got by just guess. You can always after back 2 weeks. You can always test them. If not enough, you can still put more salt in. So this year probably gonna be a 3 kilo of olives. And I will pull probably a couple handful. So every day, even every second day, I suggest you to turn them like this. What happened? They produce a little bit of juice down the bottom, the salty water, and when you turn them, they get coated all the way around. Now this variety, you can see they're very mature already. I reckon in 2 weeks they'll be ready. Also, I want to say, if you want to have extra flavor, you can put fennel seeds, wild fennel seeds, in there, and then as you turn them, you get the extra flavor in the actual olives. That's if you want to do. You don't have to, but if you want, you can do that. Wild fennel seeds. Like I said, because they're already well mature, I would in 2 weeks they should be ready. Maybe take it 2 or 3 weeks. And then you try the flavor that you reckon. If you want more sweet, leave them longer. I like bitter, a little bit on the bitter side. So every day, toss them around. You don't have to cover up, just put them somewhere. You can keep inside the house or in the shade. You don't have to cover up. And this one here, just show. This is home grown olives. My own olives. See, this one is already done. So when the olives they're ready to eat, you wash them with hot water because you rinse all the salt off, and then you gotta let it dry up. You can actually drop it natural in the sun, or you can put it in the oven and let it dry up in the oven. But make sure you don't cook. And I'd say this one I done in the oven, 200 degrees in the oven for probably. You gotta stir them too because otherwise they can get burned. Probably 10 minutes. You stir them up a few times. And then you let it dry up, and that's it. Ready to go in Kravex. And what I'm gonna do now, what you can do, if you want to put some in the fridge to eat quick, early, just put some in a bowl like this. You need chop a bit of garlic in pieces. Some oregano. And I'm gonna put a little bit of chili. You don't have to if you don't want. Just bring a bit of chili in. And a little bit of extra virgin oil. Just toss them around and mix them right through. So this you can put the lid on, keep them in the fridge, and you can eat them anytime you like. They last a few weeks, and I'm gonna try one there. It's so good, delicious.